Okay. Let me clear my throat just a little bit. And we are back. And I want to thank you and congratulate you for being inside the Crazy Live Leads Leap Capture Page Share Code Club. And in this video, guys, we're going to move right in. We're going to keep moving right along. And we're going to continue talking about um, your advertising, your marketing, how to use these pages to increase and boost your opt-ins, how to use these pages to generate more leads, and how to use these pages, if you want to, guys, to get more Leads Leap signups. Okay. And again, that's what the mission is. Okay. And so that's what we're talking about. And guys, before we move into this video, you guys know I like to give you guys a little bit of not just doing something, but why you're doing it. Right? Why are we doing what we're doing? Right. Okay. So let's talk a little bit about incentive and incentive marketing. Okay. Um, why would you join anything? I mean, why would you join any business opportunity? Why would you join one person as opposed to another? What are the benefits? Huh? A lot of times, guys, the resistance is because of the lack of benefits, or maybe the complexity, right, of putting together a particular marketing system. Maybe it's time consuming, right? But at the end of the day, the more we can actually simplify the processes for building our list and our email marketing, right, our affiliate marketing businesses or side hustles, then the better off we are. And so, in a nutshell, we're talking about automation. Okay, now we want to get more opt-ins. We want more people coming into our lead capture pages. Why? If we can get more people coming into our lead capture pages, we can build our email subscribers list bigger, and we can build our business, guys. You know, it's obvious, right? The reason why, or the reasons why we want to increase the amount of opt-ins we're able to tap into when we're marketing, right? That just makes sense. And so now there's the incentive. So where's the incentive? If we're promoting the Crazy Live Leads Leap Capture Page Share Codes Club, and the person's already inside of Leads Leap, they don't have any incentive to join you. Not Leads Leap, but at the same time, you could be creating, or I could be creating, a great lead capture page that person really wants, right? And they can go out and create some of them on their own. But it's so easy with these share codes. Why wouldn't a person just simply pay you $3 to send them the share code? And that's exactly what we're doing in this platform. For people who are already members of Leads Leap, they can still pick up the share codes, right? And pay you $3 to your favorite payment processor to get that share code. At the same time, the other incentive for those who are not Leads Leap members already, they join and they get the share codes as well. So it's a win-win situation. We're catering to both ends of the spectrum, whether these prospects are Leads Leap members or not. And so that's what incentive advertising and marketing is all about in my mind. And of course, we got the built-in traffic and all the pages, and we're going to get into that in the videos coming up. And so once you guys have this page imported into your Leads Leap membership, then guys, you can actually connect this lead capture page, because that's the page we're on now. Last video was about the bridge page. I'm going to show you how to import this actual lead capture page and then connect it to your bridge page, or the thank you page, the page that we covered in the last video. So again, I'm going to run over to my trusty email, guys. I sent myself an email, and I can't believe I got to sign in again, guys. I was just in here, and let me go ahead and sign in, and we're going to pick up that share code for the lead capture page. And then, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to connect those two pages together, if that makes sense. So that way your lead capture page is redirecting to your thank you bridge page. So let me go down here. I sent myself that email. There it goes, guys. Again, welcome to the Crazy Live Leads Leap Capture Page Club. You guys would have received an email like this. It's the type of email you will send your prospects when they join you. And it will include the corresponding share code, right? Or share codes. In this instance, the share codes to both the thank you bridge page that we discussed in the last video, and of course, the lead capture page, which we're going to do in this one. So let's go back to Leads Leap, and let's go back. How did we do it last time? We're going to do the exact same thing, guys. So in this instance, we're going to add the club. We're going to add the club lead capture page. Okay, we're going to call it club lead capture page. Call it whatever you want, but note that it's the lead capture page to your, that's the front door to your store. So let's go down and add it. Okay, and there we go, guys. There's the club's lead leaps capture page. That's this page right here, guys. We're going to import it now. I'm going to run up to my email. I'm going to drag and going to highlight that share code. I'm going to go back to my Leads Leap Manager, and I'm going to come right down here like we did last time and add a new design to start. Add a new page, design to start. We're going to take that share code. We're going to click that first. Come over here on the right. I'm going to paste that share code. I'm going to hit import now. And voila, just like in the last instance, guys, you'll see down here it's active. I'll just tick that little radio button. If it says inactive for any crazy reason, click it and make sure it says active. Come back up here to your page that you just imported. Click, and it'll bring up your new lead capture page. It doesn't get much simpler and easier. You can market and promote anything that you want using these pages because they completely, you can edit the entire page out to market anything. They're universal lead capture pages, splash pages, thank you pages, bridge pages. So that means they can speak to a broad range of individuals, right? For whatever it is you want to market and promote. You can change the verbiage. You can change every caption on this page to make it speak to anything you want it to speak to. So now, guys, that we have both of those pages, right, let's take a look at something. There's the lead capture page. And down here is the bridge page. This is the page that your prospects end up on when they opt into. Let me put this in order for you guys because it's confusing me. Okay, so I'm going to take some of these pages down. I'm only going to deal with the pages that I need so you guys can really get to see and appreciate this process. Okay, so now we're bringing our prospects, guys, from the lead capture page, which we just imported into our Leads Leap membership. We're bringing them from this page, and we're going to bring them right to the actual thank you page, the bridge page. This is where we're going to take them, okay? We're going to bring them right here because once they're inside here, now they get to pick up, well, number one, they get to join you inside of Leads Leap. Secondly, if they're already in Leads Leap and they want all these great pages that you're going to be getting at least one every month. If they want that page and they don't want to go through, and they just want it, then of course, guys, they're going to be able to pay you $3 payments. But that's the lead capture page. Okay, here we go. Now they're going to be able to pay you those $3 payments. This is the thank you. This is the bridge page. So now, how do they do that? Well, if they're a member of Leads Leap already and they just want the page, then they're going to click right here, guys, right down here at the bottom, and they're going to pay you $3. Now, I have Stripe. Whatever you want to use. You want to use PayPal, use PayPal. You want to use Cash App, use Cash App. Use Venmo, use Zelle. Use whatever you want to use. But when your prospects click, they'll be taken over to your particular payment processor. In this instance, for me, it's Stripe. I could do Cash App, whatever. It doesn't matter. I'm using my Stripe account in this instance. So when your prospects click there, if they're already a member of Leads Leap and they want these explosive pages, then they're going to have to pay you $3 to get it because they're already a member of Leads Leap. For every other person and all others who are joining our teams inside of Leads Leap, guys, they're going to pick it up absolutely free because they're going to create a free Leads Leap account. And they're just going to come right here to this button and they're going to click and they're going to join you, your Leads Leap. And why do you want to join? Why do they want to join? The benefits are off the wall. I can't go through all the benefits. I'm making an attempt to throughout the series of these next videos. Everything you could possibly imagine doing inside of Leads Leap, you can do it inside of that membership. Now, to include traffic. Now, so that's where we are. So now you have both. Let's see, let's look at it again. You have both your lead capture page, right? For the Leads Leap lead capture page share code club. You have the lead capture page, which is going to be redirecting to this thank you bridge page. They're congruent, and your prospects are coming through because they really want to get this, right? They really do. And so they're going to join you, and they're going to join you for that. Now, here's the other great benefit among many, or another among many. Again, you can trick these pages out to make them promote and market anything you want to market and promote. You can change every bullet up here inside of these pages. You can put your picture over here. You can brand yourself all the way out. Doesn't matter. you could totally trick the entire system out to do what you wanted to do and build your Leads Leap subscribers membership at the same time and earn you some $3 commissions in the interim, guys, for people who are already members of Leads Leap. I hope that excites you guys. I hope you guys really are getting the gist of how amazingly powerfully effective this can be when you actually start implementing. And I'll see you guys in the next video where we'll connect these two pages and we'll keep doing whatever's clever or the next best thing. Thanks for sitting in. I'll see you guys on that video.